Let's see. Brake repair job. 1970 VW van. Video number 8 commentary. Spring orientation. What does it say? And layout. Front right wheel. Well, I hope I cleaned it first. Let's see what happens here. Oh, looks like I'm pointing it out. I can really get it. This is not helping. Oh, look at that. There's something else. Remember this rod right here? Then it rotates this way. Okay. Going that way. Now this is the front right wheel. And it's the top one. So the spring goes. And then it goes. That's how it looks like to me. Gotta make sure we put this thing back together. Yeah, it goes right along. Last turn is up. Oh, last turn. It's down. Last turn is down. Be careful when you take your pictures. It's out of focus. There's a vehicle. All right. Fabulous rust bucket. Not tough to work on. Everybody can do it. Those two bolts are going to come out. But look at the spring. Be a lot easier to see when it's clear, I hope. Alright, that's that.